Hi guys, in this video I will show what's the difference between auto and manual mode in update alternatives. Let's take a look at one example. Type in sudo update dash alternatives dash dash config space editor. This is the name of alternative. Press enter, and here you can see we have 4 different lines. The first line is always auto mode and all others manual mode. Basically you can only have one auto mode, and it is dynamic line, it is changing, and the application in it is chosen based on the highest priority which you have between all your applications installed. In particular, here we have 3 different applications and they have priorities as 10, 30, 40, and 40 is the maximum. That is why here we have nano and priority 40. So this is just the maximum priority between all our applications. And also, if we try to install or uninstall some of the applications, this line can be changed. So whichever the highest value. Let's try to uninstall nano by typing sudo aptitude purge nano, and let's see how the configuration will be affected by removing it. I will open configuration again by typing update alternatives dash dash config, and here you can see that our auto mode has been changed. Now it contains Vim Basic and the priority is 30. That's because we have only 2 applications with 10 and 30 is the biggest. So that's how auto mode works. And now let's try to change to manual mode. For example, number 1, which is Vim Basic. I will press 1. Let's check the configuration. You can see now we have manual mode, Vim Basic. Manual mode means static mode. It is not gonna change. So if we choose our alternative as manual mode, Vim Basic, it will stay forever. No matter what we install or uninstall, our default text editor will always be Vim Basic now. So let's try to install our nano again. I will type in sudo aptitude install nano, and let's see how our configuration is affected by this. I will open configuration of update alternatives. You can see that our selection is still Vim Basic in manual mode, but auto mode has been changed. Now it is nano again, because the highest priority is 40. So auto mode is changed, but our selection is still the same. If we try to open our text editor by typing command editor, you will see that Vim Basic will be opened up. I will press enter, and this is Vim Basic. And let's try to change the selection to another manual mode, which is nano, and the selection is number 1. I will press number 1. Let's check the configuration. You can see now our default text editor is nano, and anytime I type in command editor we will be using nano. Let's try it, and you can see this is nano. I will exit, So this is how manual and auto mode work. So manual mode is just static mode, it is not changing. If you select your application in manual mode, it will stay forever, no matter what you install or uninstall. But the auto mode is dynamic line, it is changing, and the selection in this line is based on the highest priority between all your applications installed. I hope you understand now how it works, and thanks for watching.